Hi, this is Cecilia from Scrapbooking Cecilia. Welcome to a new tutorial for Graphic 45. This time I'm going to try to level up a card that was made from the card kit with Sunshine on of My Mind. When you get this this kit, you will receive the 8x8, the chipboard tags and frames, and the stickers. You can see here I almost don't have any stickers, and I have some of the chipboard because I was playing with this beautiful paper collection before, so I'm going to use what I have. So let me explain you. You are going to download and print if you want. Mine is in white and black only because my printer is not working fine, so I can see and hear and read anything that I need. You will do that at g45.com, and I start also we will need the black A7 cards which measure 5x7 with envelopes, and I just use one of the cards. This is a strong cardstock, but I need to use an extra pieces, and I'm going to be using some leftovers of the black chipboard as well. So what I did already, because you are going to follow the same directions, I just make the interior of my car following all the steps from 1 to the 8. Now that's all the inside. Let me show you. This is the inside. So what I want to do here, I change a bit here my cover because I'll be using this beautiful frame. This is one of the chipboard frames, but I want to make an extra surprise when somebody receives this card. So I'm going to make a sliding surprise in the top. So we will need an extra piece of cardstock, black cardstock, that measure 3 3/8 by 4 7/8. And I took this measurement from my chipboard frame, and then I just align it in this way, and with my pencil I made some marks inside, and probably here you can see my pencil marks that I joined because we need to remove all this piece and all this piece. Here we have two options. We can cut this, which I am going to do, or you can open a slot here and here because we will be using a piece of plastic to move all the slidings. So you can open here an extra slot, and this will be working, and I think that's a good idea. Let's do that. I'm going to open a little bit more in both sides. I am just going to give you this idea because I think that we can change the project in a different ways. You see, now we have two spaces here. I want my tape on the top. And now we are going to introduce this in the back. We are just going to align it here. Oh, I didn't tell you the measurement of my plastic. The slots measure about 3 5/8 long, and the plastic measure about 3 3/8 wide. Okay, so now we are just going to remove, and here is important to align. I am using this because I have black on top of black. Don't tie this too much. It is not perfectly aligned, so that's something important. And here you can see, now it's easy to move it. Okay, now consider that this part is in the bottom, so the biggest part it's in at the bottom as well here. So I want to see when I open in this side my red color, which is this. So I'm going to add here this one here. So it's important to align this properly and then just attach this on place. Now if we attach this in this side, we are going to add the glue or the tape in the opposite side. I just need to be sure this is yes. Now this piece you want to put it with your side, which is going to see at the bottom side, okay? And I am going to try to align it with here. All right, now you can see here we have these two pieces. Now in this side I am going to attach this using regular glue, but what I am going to try here is to align it, this card, with my black cardstock. And I want to keep the same distance on the top and in the bottom as well. And this one, it's going to be in this side. So what I am going to do is to add a tiny pencil mark here, just to see where am I going to attach this card. Now first I want to double check if this is hidden, and yes it is. Now that I am sure, I am going to press. It's important to stick this properly, especially this side, because you don't want any problems here. I'm going to cover this piece, of course, and for that I cut a piece of this gorgeous paper that I am going to attach here using just on my edges, a little bit here, about 3/8 of an inch I am adding in the bottom. I cut this gorgeous card from the cut apart sheet, and this is going to be here inside. So I am just pushing this here in the bottom, and when I am sure where it is centered enough for me, I am just going to add some glue here in the back. Now we are just going to add this on place. Now this piece is going to be here, but inside between these two pieces we are going to add the sliding system in this way. So of course we need something here, 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 and here to put this more in dimensional. For that, it's what I am going to use here, my black chipboard, and you will need 6 pieces. This is the graphic 45 chipboard, which is thin. So I cut 6 pieces that measure 3¼ by 7/8 and 6 that measure 3¼ by 1/4. And I'm going to make 2 pieces, layering 3 of each one. Okay, so let's put them together. Here I have 2 and 3, so this is 1 piece. Okay, now I'm going to stick this 3 with this another 3. I'm going to make 1, and with this the other piece, and I'll come back. Okay, I just have my 2 of these pieces and 2 of these pieces because I want to stick 1 here in the bottom and 1 in the top in both sides. So now we are, remember, this is the front side, and this will be opening in this way easily now because we have these pieces attached here. And I am thinking, before we attach this, I'm going to add something here to pull this out easily. I am just going to open with my small and I am just eyeballing here, trying to center this. I'm going to add a piece of this and hold it with one brad. We are ready to center this piece here. try, but you can see here how easy this slides now. I hope you like it and you will give it a try. And don't forget to tag me and tag Graphic45 to see all your projects, because we really enjoy so much watching what you create with this amazing paper collection. Thank you so much.